Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about a moving checklist. What on earth is a moving checklist? Well, in order to have a stress-free move, it is possible. I'll tell you, the part about moving that is the most stressful is finding the new place and then coordinating all of the time so that you can move out of one place and into the other place all in a timely manner and get all the things done that need to get done, like the cleaning and so forth. That's the part that's stressful. The actual moving, well, hopefully you've got movers, good movers. I work with really good movers that can move you seamlessly and stress-free. And so that part doesn't seem to be stressful. But it's important to have a checklist so that on move day, you are not frantically running around. There are certain things that need to be done ahead of time. And if you start, let's say a month out, then you're not going to be stressed. Check out the moving checklist below. It'll give you all kinds of great tips on what to do a month out, 2 weeks out, a week out, and even the day before. So today, for an example, I packed a lunch in preparation for tomorrow for move day, so that I wouldn't have to grab something fast food, greasy, heavy, salty that would make me feel lethargic. I've packed a healthy lunch. I even had time to relax and read a little bit because everything is all done and ready to go. I've got a suitcase completely packed that is good for 2 or 3 days of items of clothing, hair dryer, roll of toilet paper, clean sheets, and clothing and toiletry. This way, when I get to my new location, I won't be frantically running around opening up boxes trying to figure out where all those things are. So check out that checklist. Keep yourself well organized and well hydrated. I know that seems strange, doesn't it? But the hydration is what keeps us from getting tired and cranky and irritable. So well hydrated, well organized, so that you too can have a stress-free move. Now, if you're feeling a little challenged about that, by all means, check out GettingItTogether.ca, and I'd be happy to give you a free consultation over the phone to discuss your personal needs and challenges, and then help you out with moving forward.